it's Neil, and welcome to the, the other side of the kitchen. And today I'm checking out this COMAN vlogging MT40 kit, and I got this because if you can kind of see even here, I've been trying to work on my video game a bit, and you see that I'm videoing myself. I am kind of dark here because I got so much light in the back and stuff like that. So this thing here will allow me to attach my light to it, which I left back in the other place. So I don't have my light here, but I'm gonna show you what the tripod and everything looks like, and we'll see how it works. And it's got like wraparound legs and stuff, so I can take it with me, and it'll be super convenient to be able to do my reviews from anywhere. So let's open this thing up, and this is it here. This is what the box looks like. And here is, oh, it actually comes with the light. So it comes with, oh man, this is sweet. Okay, it comes with what I need. Perfect. So this is the tripod. Oh man, this is nice. This is quality stuff. Okay, so you see, and it's got the bendable legs, so I can do that. I can wrap it around a tree if I wanted to, or whatever I want to do. So this is the tripod, so let me just straighten it back up here, and I will set that up right here. And then we have this is one of the mounts, and then here, we got all these pieces and parts. We got to figure out what it is. This is the microphone, that's pretty sweet. And then this is the light and the plug for the light. Wow, it comes with everything. Sweet. Okay, so let's see how this works. So it's, boy, I don't know, look at the instructions, because this is super cool. Man, okay. Well, not a whole lot of information there, but basically, I mean, I've used these things before. So let's see, how does this open? It is, okay, so here we go. So this is the phone mount right here. So you see it will fit in there, so it'll be adjustable for the different size phones. Right now I can't show you because I'm videoing with my phone, but and then it comes with this here, which lets you, allows you to totally adjust it and everything like that. And then it's got, I think it's called a shoe up top to plug in the other stuff. So this, so let's see, I would plug this, I'll screw this in here. The next video, watch my next video, whatever it is I record, because that'll be using this. Let's see. So we'll put this in here. Okay, so now that's screwed on. And then this would be screwed on to here like this. Figuring it out as I go. And it would be totally adjusted, that's sweet. Okay, and then this will be the light going up top, sliding right into there. And this will be the microphone, which would slide right in there. I don't have my little adapter that plugs this into the iPhone, so I'm not gonna be able to do that right now. And then this is the plug for the light. So let's give this a try. I wonder if I have, oops, dropped it. And it looks like the plug here is using USB-C, which I think I have a USB plug somewhere in here. Let me see what I got. Oh, I have a battery, so I can show you guys how that works. So let's put the light on. So let's plug the light in. Oh, this is cool. I like this. It's so nice and small and convenient. I can take this with me. That's what's been driving me crazy. I haven't been able to take one of these things with me to do reviews anywhere else. If I do, it's just a pain. So, okay, so that's plugged in now. Let's see what the light looks like here. Do I have to turn this on somehow? Oh, the light's on. Okay, let's see what the, oh, there it is. So there, now you can see what I look like with the light on. Even though I don't have the light on the camera, once the camera is on the same thing, it'll probably be a whole lot better. And then the sound would be like perfect too, because it'll be coming straight from it. So this is what it looks like here. And here's the instructions for the light, basically. Pretty small, wow. Well, I don't think anybody can read that, man, that's pretty small. But thankfully, it's super intuitive in that I figured it out by, I push the button and the light turns on. And I just have it connected to a battery pack, which is good because then it's portable, I can take it anywhere. And then my phone will go, here, I'll turn it around here. Oh, now we've got it bright on your face here. Oh, wow, it's got different brightness levels too. Okay, but then the phone will go in here, and I guess you have it landscape and just hold it in there. It seems like it's got a good hold too. So this is nice because I'll be able to use this one with my case too. On the little tripod thing I'm using now, you can see it's even tilted because it doesn't even stay straight. And I have to use my my phone out of the case. I can't put it in the case. So this is what it looks like here, and then it's got a little screw in the back here too, so I guess you could mount this to other things as well, and it's got the little rotating thing for the screw. So it's got all sorts of different options for mounting it and everything, and it's super portable here. I could just even take this with me and I'm ready to go. I just need to bring my little adapter for my phone. So I love this. This is sweet. So thumbs up from me. I like this. So be sure to pick one of these up for yourself. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can get one for yourselves. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I love everything that these guys do. This is the COMAN vlogging MT40 kit. So if you, if you guys are interested in doing anything like this, if you want to get into starting to videoing or anything like that, this has got everything you need. It's got, I'll turn off the light here. What do you do? Hold it. I think I held it down. Yeah, you hold it down and get it to go on. But so before you start vlogging, or if you want to start doing videos, reviews, or anything like me, pick up this thing. This is sweet. It's like all-in-one kit for everything. So super thumbs up from me. I love it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.